Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another code, not another code, but another way of checking the IMEI numbers. We have to open the settings. Here in this left section, let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.